In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to fork a REPL in Replit. Forking, also called remixing in Replit, creates your own copy of an existing project so you can edit freely without affecting the original. Here's how to do it with a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to replit.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can save changes to your workspace. Next, click Projects. This takes you to the area where your apps and templates live. If your layout looks a bit different, look for a section labeled Projects or My RepLs. Replit occasionally updates wording, but the destination is the same, the place showing your projects. Find the project you want to fork. Hover over it and open the three dots menu, sometimes called the overflow menu. This menu holds actions you can take on the project without opening it fully. Choose Remix. This tells Replit to copy the project into your account. The copy is independent, which means you can add files, change code, and experiment as much as you like while the original stays untouched. When the remix appears, give your clone a clear, memorable name. Good names save time later. Consider including the language or purpose like Chatbot Remix Python or Portfolio Remix 2026. Avoid using any personal or sensitive information in the name. Add a short description. A one-line note about what you plan to change or why you forked the project will help future you and collaborators understand the intent at a glance. Choose the project's visibility, public or private. Public makes your remixed code viewable by others and easier to share or get feedback on. Private keeps it to yourself or your team. Depending on your plan, private projects may have limits, and public projects should never include secrets or credentials in code or config. Finally, click Remix App to create the fork. If you're on the free tier, take a moment to check your project limit. If you're at capacity, you'll need to delete unused projects or upgrade before the remix can finish. That's it. Your remixed project now appears in your projects list with the name you chose. Open it to start customizing, test changes safely, and iterate without worrying about the source project. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.